Hello, this is Bruce Dickinson from EBT News, transmitting directly to you from Copenhagen Airport. As you can see behind me, everybody's talking has just arrived in their private jet. I hope they will share information about their upcoming concerts. Out of the plane first is the King of Ripe. He's looking extraordinary Jutlandish today. Next, of course, the pop singer, Jimmy is back from his 15th holiday this year. And, wow, the rock legend, I wasn't sure he would show up this soon, he seems unusually fresh today. Normally Mr. Cross ends up in strange terminals in faraway countries. Anyway, I'll try to find out what the boys are up to. Welcome back to Denmark. How was your flight?
Hej Bruce, den kunne have været værre.
Jeg synes, den var helt fantastisk, super, monster dejlig, måske den bedste flyvetur, jeg nogensinde har haft.
I don't agree, this was so average. I've tried a million times better when I was on tour in 1852 with, you know who.
That's interesting. Mr. Cross, which musical act are you referring to?
Hey boys, will you excuse me and Mr. Dickinson for a second? Bruce, do you seriously expect that I can remember that? It's well known that I can't remember anything that happened after a party at Karl Mauser's place in 1968. Had to go. Adios.
Oh, I remember, Mr. Cross and Mr. Mauser told me when I interviewed them for The New Yorker after they participated in the annual Super Levy Festival in Brooklyn in 1976. Great story by the way, wonderful scandal. Bloody hell, I forgot to ask about tour dates. Dear audience, I'll continue chasing news about everybody's talking's upcoming concerts. Thanks for watching EBT News. I'm Bruce Dickinson, Copenhagen Airport, Denmark.